I do not agree. With due respect, Officer, if you handle it that way, it means you guys, you don't know your job. Send your boys to find my brother. You can track him same way you track this phone.
With due respect, you have to come with us. Officer, are you pleading with him? Get him arrested!
Chief Udoka, please, please. It hasn't got into this. Let's settle this.
Arrest him.
Things are not done that way.
No, move. Officer, that's him. That's him. Get him arrested. That's him.
My prince, His Royal Highness wants to see you.
Okay, tell him I'll be with him shortly.
Okay, my prince.
You're welcome, my dear.
This is not you. Everything I feel. You know you
Greetings, my friend.
Oh, greetings. How are you?
Fine.
Apologize to me.
Yes. So, about what I talked to you of becoming the crown prince of this kingdom, I want it resolved as soon as possible. Meet Anita.
Anita? How do you do?
I did it too.
I'm Prince Tony.
Anita by name.
Yeah, she's the daughter of my very good friend.
Good.
and your wife to be.
Yes, son.
Yes, yes.
You're joking,
I don't know. Do you need more clarification?
huh? Of course I need clarification.
I am not joking.
Father, I sincerely need clarification because I know you don't joke much, so why play a fast one on me?
Son, your father is not joking. This is the beautiful young girl we carefully selected for you to run the affairs of this kingdom with. Trust me when I say she's being carefully trained and taught the norms of royalty and how to become a good queen.
Father, can she excuse us, please? For a few minutes, let's talk.
Okay. My dear, give us 1 or 2 minutes.
Yes, darling. Just for some minutes, okay? She's beautiful.
Yes.
Father, I do not approve of both of you selecting a wife.
My dear, Anita has been nurtured to fit perfectly into royalty.
Exactly.
Yes. Look, as a king today, there are more to be considered while looking for your life.
Exactly.
Yes. See, Anita was raised in a good and indigenous home. Her father, my good friend, is a man of integrity and well respected in this kingdom. So you can't fault her for being a woman in any way. Look, son, Anita is beautiful and presentable.
She will make a good wife and a queen too.
Alright, thank you very much, guys, but I think you should have consulted me first. I'm an adult. I have the right to choose the person I want to marry. Okay? I know the kind of woman I want, and the kind of woman I want, I'll find. As for Anita, I will not marry her. Thank you very much. Do you mind if I take my leave now?
Upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you acquire, it's your love, what the fake love at all. Fake love at all. I will let my love go
Without my consent? Come on, mother. How can you and father try to pick a wife for me? I'm a man. I know what I want.
We are your parents. And so we know what is good for you.
You do not know. You don't even know what is best for me, mother. I'm a man. I'm an adult. I have the kind of woman I like. I have my own spec. I know the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Remember, you're the prince. Heir to the throne of this kingdom.
Of course I know, mother.
You're royalty.
I know. I'll never forget. I am royalty. At the same time, I'm human. Alright? Doesn't make me perfect. It doesn't make me immortal.
Let's assume we do not know your choice of a woman. Now tell me, what kind of a woman would you want to spend the rest of your life with?
God bless you, mother. Exactly what you should have asked me since. Don't try to force a woman down my throat. Ask me such a simple question and you get a simple answer from me.
I'm all ears.
Thank you. I want a woman with a touch of Christianity.
Christianity?
Yes. And a touch of morals.
Morals? Good.
Social vibes, you know. You know, this... Come on now, mother, you understand me? If you don't mind for me, you know, a slay queen, you know, those kind of social media girls, you know, pop it. Of course.
You don't have to be selfish with your choices. You live for this kingdom.
I agree with you, mother. I do not live for the kingdom. No, I don't. One day I'm going to leave the kingdom. I promise you I'm going to leave it right. But I have my own life to live. It's my sole responsibility to make myself happy. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Excuse me, mother.
I have found my love. She's all that I want. My slave queen, every man's dream.
Because Kidende was slay queen.
Yes, I am truly in love with her. Oh, what am I living Nelly? What am I going?
Hey guys! Hey guys! My name is Trisha Laverza. I heard the trend right now is fake it till you make it. So henceforth, I will be your fake it till you make it queen. So what's popping? Let's gist. What's going on? Yeah. What's the purpose of that? That's the trend going on. You know? Yo! That's the trend. Yo. Alright. Bye. Yeah. So, let's see another caller. Who is this idiot trying to interrupt my call? Hey. Oh, I'm your crush. Thank you. Thank you. You want to be in my life? Thank you. Okay.
Hello, pretty.
Who is this?
It's me, Tony.
Who the hell is Tony? And who cares about your cursed identity?
Oh, come on, but you just asked me who I am.
Well, you just interrupted my live video.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is this that?
Oh, please. Sorry for yourself. You know what? Don't even try to call back again. Else you will see the crazy part of me. Nonsense. Rubbish. Just imagine. Just trying to have fun with my fans.
Tony, my man. Tony? Where's your feast that place was?
Bro, I've never been humiliated like this all my life.
Why? By who? What happened?
Trisha.
Trisha. Who is Trisha? Oh, that Instagram slay queen?
Oh yes, that girl I like so much. She lives rent-free in my head.
Tony, you know she's not worth it. Why this selling fantasy for socialites and social media personalities?
Because that is my spec. That's my spec. You should respect that. I love hot girls, you know, coffee. Big something. I can't be caught with these local girls now, come on.
You say they can be the best, but these social media cheats will frustrate you. Except you want to be married to the media with so many online in-laws analyzing your marriage.
That's the point. That's why I want to do it. I want a trendy relationship. You know, a trendy marriage. Everybody will be talking about you. Your pictures will be everywhere. Endorsements will start coming. That's how it works. People will be talking about you.
Tony!
Get off.
Well, by the way, I came here to, it's only about a meeting.
Oh.
What is it? Why is your face looking like this?
I am fine, Mom.
Didn't it go down well with the royal family?
Oh, the prince wasn't impressed.
And what did the king say?
He said nothing.
And the queen?
She said she will talk to the prince.
It's okay. Do not worry. Maybe the queen will be able to convince him.
Mom, look at me. Am I not good enough for him?
You are! So perfect. Don't worry. He may just be acting up to get a reaction from you.
So our advice, you keep calm and remain the good girl that you are.
Keep calm? I'm biased, Mom. I don't think this will work out.
Come on, Anita. You don't have to conclude in a hurry. Please, go in and change your dress and have a good rest. Come on.
Okay, Mom.
He better. He's getting on my nerves. And I'm losing my cool.
Sister, what if he's worth giving a try? Have you thought of it? You can't despise him so much without knowing him too well.
And what is there to know about that obsessed bastard? What? No, tell me. What kind of a guy sleeps and wakes up on a girl's post in my DM? He can even comment more than twice or thrice on each post. I mean, it's only broke guys that have got such time.
Well, it's your decision to make. But I'm only concerned. He might be a potential serious suitor or even husband.
I can't remember telling you that I'm in for marriage.
You're not getting any younger. I'm sure Mom must have exhausted all avenue of praying for you. Now she would be...
Will you shut up and get off my face?
Sorry.
Just leave. I don't want to hear this. Just go!
Greetings, my queen.
Anita, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Please sit.
I'm fine, my queen. And the king.
Oh, he's doing just fine. And how are your parents?
They're fine. They left me with their greetings for the royal family.
Very well then. Thank you so much. Have you had something to drink or eat?
I'm fine, my queen.
Come on, let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
Follow me.
This is not real, everything a fake. The more you look, the less you see her. Trisha wonder more. If I broke with them, Mama Chola Joe. Trisha wonder more. If I broke with Bella Mama, why are you like this, Trisha? Fake life, woman. That is the trend. Fake life,
I'm so sorry.
Choma,
I'm so
are you mad? Are you insane? Are you stupid? Choma, did you see what your stupidity cost?
I'm sorry. It was not intentional. I was overwhelmed with excitement, so I couldn't hold it back. I'm so sorry.
So?
I just got an admission.
What rubbish admission are you talking about? Choma, you ended the live video I was doing.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
I'm sorry. You know how long I've...
Choma, just stop it because you're getting on my nerves. Choma, I just
couldn't hold it back. I'm sorry, sister.
Oh, Choma, you're wicked. Did you see the wealthy fan I was talking with? Didn't you see me shaking my body? I was running for him. And he already asked me for my account number. And I was about to give it to him before you came and spoiled everything with your negative vibes. Why? Why are you this wicked?
I'm sorry. You know how long I've suffered for this admission. I couldn't hold
Will you shut up?
I'm sorry.
See, let me tell you. The only way I will forgive you in this life, you have to go and look for that man on IG. You have to go and look for him. You must look for him. That man must write me DM. He must write me DM. Choma, you're wicked.
I don't know him.
You don't know him. If you don't look for that man, Choma, I will send you back to the village.
I'm sorry now.
I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear anything. Go and look for that man. Go and look for that man. What kind of a useless sister are you? You're so wicked. You're so wicked.
It's not intentional. I'm sorry.
This is where I get money that I feed you with, wicked girl.
I'm sorry now. Sorry.
Madam, bend down, bend down. Bend down so you get the angle well. You think I'll slap you? I'll slap you. Bend down.
That is the trend. If you fake it,
Sister, are we not going out again? Hey, we're going to the airport. Don't worry, just calm down. Airport! We're going to the airport. This girl can snap, oh. Choma, you're my photo plug. Stop the cab. Stop the cab already.
this is not real. Everything a fake. The more you look, the less you see her. Trisha want me more. If I broke with him, Mama Jonajo.
Are you out of your mind? Do you realize whom you are? Even if you are shameless, can't you have a little respect for the name of this royal household?
My bad, mother. My bad. You see, I just wanted to ease myself, and at the moment she was the only one available, so I thought I should just ease myself with her.
Oh, you wanted to ease off, right?
Yes, mother.
Why would you jump into any hole when you're always on alcohol or hard drugs?
I already said I'm sorry. I mean, yes, this has happened. Let's allow this slide. You know, what has happened has happened. You can undo it.
Your father will hear this. A maid? Ew!
Mother, it hasn't gotten to that. She's also human. Yes, and she drips slowly, I'm sure about that. Hey, now come to Papa. Please don't stress me.
Please, no.
Oh, please don't stress me. I don't have strength for stress. I just want to have fun. Alright? Just come. I promise you I'll be very gentle.
You are still here. What are you doing? Come on, get out! Fool.
Oh my God. I can't wait to feed my fans. Can't wait to feed my fans. Come back here. Come back here. What's the meaning of this attitude? Now take this bag inside.
Sister, you can't keep doing this to me. It's not fair now. After telling me to dress up so you take me out, you took me to the airport. I took you so many pictures only for us to come back home. Why? It's not fair.
I don't understand. You took me so many pictures. Yeah, the pictures are fine, but don't you think it's worth it? Huh?
So all this stress is to sponsor your slave queen fake life on the ground. And to pressure innocent poor people. It's not fair now. It's not fair. I'm tired. You can't be doing this to me all the time.
Do you know what it takes to be a celebrity? The code is fake it until you make it. You get it? If you don't get it, forget it.
To be very honest with you, you're not going to make anything out of this. You're not even worth up to 500,000. After all the stress.
Are you serious? At least I have a roof over your head. Look at this one telling me I don't have 500,000. Do you know how much my house rent is? Do you know how much I bought this bag? And you open your filthy mouth to say rubbish to me. Come on, take this bag and get inside.
Don't do this to me again. If you ask me to go out with you again, I won't do it.
Please!
I'm tired.
Look at this one. This is someone that I'm helping. How much is this house? How much am I paying for my house rent? Stupid girl.
Instagram they hot just for you because of your face, yeah. Tricia Lawrence and then they die for you. Send your DP, go be the fans and then they die for you. Original contact, go be the fans. Tricia fake it, that is it.
I thought you said lunch is ready.
Yes, my queen. That's why I'm setting the table. The chef will serve you soon.
Very well then. Oh, Your Majesty.
Yeah, how are you? Sit. Yes, I am planning to hand over my companies to my sons. You know, this time I retire.
I have a reservation to make on this. Ekene cannot handle any of your companies, especially the oil company, because he will ruin them.
Well, I am not handing over the oil company to any of them.
Okay.
I will continue overseeing them. I'm talking about the block industries, the plastic industries, and the plazas, and the rest. That's it.
I prefer you hand them over to Obinna.
You know, Bina is more interested in pursuing his career than managing my companies.
But with enough reasons, we can talk him into it. But as for Ekene, that one is a no for now. Till he's out of the youthful exuberance that is affecting him.
I think you have a point there. I'll try and speak with him.
Thank you.
I thought the food was ready.
Oh, yes. Just a minute. Let me go bring it. Where's the turkey?
Tony, how can you have an elephant on your head and choose to kick along with the cricket with your foot?
See, I spent years in university studying what I'm practicing right now, and it gives me joy. I know someday I may decide to go back home and do exactly what my folks at home want me to do. But for now, I am happy. Okay? Very happy. So don't bother me. My problem right now is how to get that girl. It's giving me sleepless nights.
Sleepless nights? Each time you speak of this girl, I ask, is she really worth it? Forget about the grams. Most of these girls are uncultured. Wayward girls that have nothing related to be called wife materials in them. Most even lack home training.
Did I ever tell you I'm looking for a housewife material? Have I said that to you before? Who cares? She's going to have maids and servants at her beck and call. Character will be secondary, believe me. I'll tell you, the eyes feed before the mind. Have you seen this girl before? No? Let me shock you. Let me show you. Exactly the reaction I was expecting. Wow.
I can see you've made up your mind, right?
I can see you've approved it.
Mamba.
Whoa.
My king! My king, what is it? What is it? Somebody help me! My king! My king, what is it? What is wrong with you? Ah! No, my king, please don't do this to me. Don't do this. Somebody help me! My king, please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, somebody help me! Help me! Oh. My king, please don't do this to me. Hey! Somebody help me! My king! My king! Oh, please, my king, don't do this to me. Because I'm going to be a dog, mama. Hey, my king, because I know my king. Ah! My king! Ah!
Hey, sugar. How you doing? Aha. Well, I just got home. It's fine. Take care of yourself, okay? Alright, bye. Jama, what is it?
Do you have to keep discrediting our parents after all the work they put in to raise good and responsible children?
And where is that coming from?
It is coming from your bad attitude, sister. Your character stinks. Everyone you come across always have negative remark to make about you. No one speaks good but evil. It doesn't tell good of our family. You need to stop being rude, saucy, proud, and annoying.
You shut up! How dare you? Are you mad? How dare you talk to me in that manner? Are you stupid?
You can slap me all you want, but you can't shut me up from saying the truth. You better change.
I can see you're eating too much. You're eating too much of my food. And if you don't take time, I will send you back to the village. Doctor, what is his condition like?
The king is fine and will soon get back on his feet.
What happened? Why was he unconscious?
His BP got high, so it pumped his blood pressure. I will advise he stop attending to some issues for the sake of his life.
Issues like?
Businesses and some traditional issues that might trigger his BP.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. Just allow him to have some rest, he will be fine. Okay. Let me pick up my bag.
Okay.
Thank you.
How is your head, Your Highness?
Well, I know I am getting better. Thank you very much for your concern.
Well, I am discharging my duties. I got the doctor's report and have discussed with the elders. Your Highness, Prince Obinna will return to be crowned the heir apparent. The crown prince will now oversee some of the issues to lessen the stress.
That is a quick one and a good one too.
Thank you, Highness.
Coming at the right time. I will get across to him immediately.
All right, Your Highness. We will commence our preparation. He will be crowned alongside with the wife immediately he returns.
It's all right. It's all right.
Thank you, Highness.
Welcome. Yeah, how are you? Whoa, father!
My son.
Wow, good to see you.
You're welcome.
Good to see you.
Son, you're welcome.
Mother.
Welcome.
Yes, how are you? Wow.
Why is everyone outside?
Hey! Bro! What's up? You're back.
Yes, I'm back. How are you?
Good to see you too. What's good?
Yeah, we're trying.
Wow, you look good. You look good, bro.
You got bags inside?
Yeah, no, bring the bag.
Oh, okay, good. Mom. Son.
Father.
I want you to stay back and become the crown prince, so as to oversee some, if not most, of the affairs of this kingdom.
What about my job?
You need to quit. Tender letter of resignation. After all, I have not less than 6 factories, industries, and companies. You can take any role in any of them. Look, I need you close now that age is no longer on my side.
All right, Father, I'll look into it.
Very well then. But while looking into it, also look into getting yourself a wife, so that you can be eligible to occupy the position of a crown prince.
Father, is it mandatory for a prince to get married before he'll be crowned?
Yes, as custom demands. I was actually heading for a meeting. If you don't mind, attend with me.
Hey, Chibaby. You know,
my birthday
is in 8 days. And I want to have the best celebration ever. So tell me, sis, do you have any plan?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, shoot it.
Go to the chapel and pray. You need it.
For what exactly?
For a positive change in the remainder of your years on earth.
I know your plans is to spoil my birthday for me. But listen, it will not work. I know you have one of the futures of witchery. Hey witch, listen, your plan will not work.
It seems like you already have a plan. What's your plan? Or wait, let me guess. Clubbing, right?
Yeah, but this time around, I want to drive my car. I want to drive my car to the club. Take a good look at me. Don't I merit to own a car?
You are just a slave queen, sister. You cannot even afford a bicycle, so how do you intend to get a car?
Well, I have to try my fans. I have to try my fans to know the ones that truly love me.
Fans?
Yeah.
Which fans are you talking about? Do you have fans? Only a celebrity does.
I am a celebrity. Google my name.
You are just a public figure and not a celebrity.
Look at these idiots. What's the difference between a public figure and a celebrity?
I'll tell you. The difference is that you are known but nobody celebrates you. Simply because you have no positive impact in them. No one is making you their role model. As long as I'm concerned, you are just an internet cloud chaser. Like Bobrisky and the rest of them.
Choma, you have successfully annoyed me. Now, get the hell out of this place before I give you a hot slap that will reset your brain.
Okay. Mommy of Lagos, I've heard. At least thank you for your patience and time for allowing me air out everything that have been killing me. And for allowing me remind you how jobless you are and how you have nothing to do with your life other than cloud chase.
This is one of the reasons why celebrities like me don't like to bring their relatives to their house. Ha! See finish. Me, mommy of Lagos, Bobrisky. Ah! I reject it. But wait though. Do I really have a career?
You are begging someone to buy you a car for your birthday.
I'm not begging. I'm only asking.
Asking?
Of course.
Really? Have you even bought anyone ordinary sachet water for you to ask for a Venza? Sister, you're becoming a social media beggar, you know.
There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, so many celebrities do that. Many socialites do that to test the loyalty of their fans.
You mean so many beggars here? They test the loyalty of their fans that they in turn open their legs for.
Wait, are you accusing me of sleeping around?
Not at all. I'm accusing you of being an online corporate beggar.
Now get out. Get out of this place! Who is this?
It's me, Tony.
So how did you get my number?
Have you forgotten? You posted it on your story. Anyway, I saw your challenge. Accepted. So where would you like your white Venza delivered on that day?
Are you serious or are you joking? I mean, do you have the money to purchase such a car?
I wouldn't be asking if I don't.
Oh, really? Okay, I'll just send you the address.
I'll be waiting.
I will text it to you. I'm getting a car! 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 Trisha is getting a car.
So one idiot has accepted to buy you the car.
Of course, yes. And it hurts me that it's coming from a jobless fellow who sleeps on my page from morning to night. But you know what, Carl? I don't even care how he gets the money. All I want is my car. My car.
You will still send him the address, won't you?
Of course, I'm doing it right away.
Sister, purchase some dignity. There is need for it.
Are you done? Like, let me ask you. If you were to be in my position, will you say no to that? To such offer? Be honest, will you do that? Oh, please. I don't even care. All I want is my car. You see, you, Choma. When I get my car, my white Venza, I will make sure you don't come an inch close to me. Yes! You won't! But if you do, I will use the same car and splash water on you. Enemy of progress. Now get out of this place. You lousy idiot.
Till then. But for now, keep living in your dreams. I wonder what someone stands to gain in purchasing a multi-million car for you. A Venza! Just for being a slave queen.
It's celebrating. Now get out. Come back here. Choma, come back here. You have to address me as Sister Trisha Lavenza.
Sorry, what did you say?
You heard me right.
Okay, I will. But that will be in your next life.
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Yeah?
Instagram they hot just for you because of your face, yeah. Trisha Lavenza men they die for you. Mananacha, send your DP,
Please. Happy birthday is not just enough. I'm expecting my gift. Sister. Please, I'll just call you back. Nothing like you have gifts to give me.
Sister, you have a surprise birthday package outside.
Surprise? From who?
I don't know, let's go.
Are you sure it's not that obsessed bastard?
I don't know, it may be him. Let's just go. Come now.
Wait. Okay, let me just wear my hair.
Okay, hurry up.
You?
Yes, me. And here's what you asked for.
For me?
Yes, you asked for a white Venza. Here you go.
I have found my love. She's all that I want. My slave queen, every man's dream. If not her, no one else. I am truly in love with her. Oh, what am I living
Thank you.
I hope you'll stop speaking to me rudely now.
Not at all. I'm too sorry. I was just joking. Thank you.
I have found my love. She's all that I want. My slave queen.
See, trust me. He will marry her.
My queen, in as much as I want my daughter married into this family, I still do not want to force her on anyone. If the prince doesn't fancy her, she can as well look away.
My dear, trust me. He will marry her, like I said. I don't make promises I can't keep. Maybe the prince is just taking his time to know more about her. He will marry her.
I believe you, my queen.
Believe me.
How is the king?
He's fine. Just that his health needs to be well taken care of. Hence, we are preparing to crown Obinna, the heir apparent, alongside your daughter, Anita, so he can step up to his responsibilities as a man and a king to be.
Please do take care of him. His health is paramount.
Yeah, you're right. But if I don't take care of him, who will? These people.
That I want. My slave queen. Every man's dream. If not her, no one else. I am truly in love with her. Oh, what a welifem neri, what a negomo, what a bifem chalacha, slave queen. Is your body and no makers, what a negomo, what a negomo, a cobblesi, slave queen. Fake love at work. Anyaga one and all, Kuchega, Anyaga, Bobby. Fake love at work. My brother, this is fake love. Fake love at work. When the more, this is fake love. I'm a little love, Kuchega, Anyaga, Bobby. Fake love at work. Tread with caution when you are dealing with a woman. Cause they are like thin line between good and bad. Open your eyes, be careful. Yeah. She might not be what you are, she might not be what you think. This is life. This is love. This is love.
So the rejected stone has finally become the chief cornerstone.
And where is that coming from?
Nothing, no. Just a reminder that you are driving a Venza today, courtesy of the obsessed bastard that you insulted severally. This life no balance, sha.
Let's go, just they cried, just they hungry.
Sorry, Ma. I just want to tell you that I'll be going to the village next week.
Mama called?
Yes. She's sick. I know you will not want to come with me. So don't worry. You can stay back and slay all you want.
You already know. So why still blabbing?
I'm going to tell her that you now have a boyfriend. An intending suitor. So that she can put you in her prayers, hoping that the marriage will work.
Tatafo. Radio without battery. Who asked you? What's the meaning of that one? You want to go and tell Mama what?
It's only...
You better say the things that concern you only. And mind your business. What's this one?
It's only going to be a harmless person. If you like, slay him away. Now you sabi.
Now you sabi too. I don't blame you. You now have mouth to talk to me. There's nothing this slay mama will not see.
Instagram they hot just for you because of your face.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
That's because I want to surprise you.
But I can't find any surprise.
Not here. Go get dressed and I want to take you out.
What are you up to?
Well, you'll find out when we go out. Just put on your best dress and I promise you today will be a memorable day for you.
Wow. I can't wait to see what you have in stock for me.
Then hurry.
10 minutes. 10 minutes, baby. Ah!
Fake love at work. I will look up my love. Good check and yaga poppy poppy. Fake love at work. Wake up, wake up. Fake love at work. Fake love at work. I will look up my love. Good check and yaga poppy. Fake love at work. I have found my love. She's all that I want. My slave queen. Every man's dream. If not her, no one else. I am truly in love with her. Oh, what a malifem neri, what an econo, what a blifem chalacha, slave in the is your body come? And the makers, what an econo, what they come about. It see slave in the woman. Fake love at work. And you got one
You marry
Oh my word! Oh my word!
My king, Anita has spent years waiting for Obinna. She has gone through many tutorials on how to make a good queen. Disappointment shouldn't be an option.
Our son is being obstinate about this whole thing, and I don't want to persuade him.
This will ruin our relationship with her family.
What should we do? Force her upon our son? Even when he has made it obvious that Anita isn't his kind of woman?
But my king, we can still convince him. Anita is a good girl. And from a good home too. She can keep this palace after our demise. We don't even know the girl Obinna is going to present to us.
Well, until we set our eyes on her. If our son says no to an offer, let him go ahead and make his choice. Forever will be too long to live a regret. And we may not be there when the regret comes.
This is a bad trip. You should have asked me if I'm ready to get married. I mean, it's barely 3 months we met, and next thing you're asking me to marry you. Is this how you marry people from your place? We're just getting to know each other.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's all my fault. I came at you too fast. I'm sorry. Please. But I'm running out of time.
Is someone pressurizing you to get married?
Yes. My parents.
Why?
Once again, I'm sorry I didn't tell you this part of me. I'm a prince. I'm the next king of my place. So I need to get married before I'll be officially crowned.
Wait, you are a prince? Which town?
Ibezuno.
Wow. You're the son of His Royal Highness Igwe Ohiz Umbadiwe.
You know him?
Who doesn't know him? So, why did it take you so long to tell me?
I thought it wasn't necessary.
It is! It's necessary! I mean, you should tell people, let people know who you are. That's what I'm talking about. You want to get married to me and I don't even know anything about you. Oh, please.
Come on, Trisha. Hey, Pops. Listen, I need some money. I need cash. I'm out of funds.
And what exactly do you need money for?
Come on, Father. I'm a man. I need some money to take care of myself. I need to take care of some bills. I need to take care of my woman.
Woman? Woman? You got married and I'm not aware? Tell me you need money for drugs. Young man, if you want to be a man, walk like one and aim like one.
What's all this? What's all this? Why do you all treat me like an outcast? How the hell do I live like a pauper when my father is a bloody billionaire?
Of course you are a pauper. You are a pauper. I am the billionaire. And you are not my son. Live a worthy life like your brother. Only then will you earn my respect.
I see mother's having a major influence on you. But that's fine. Because I will give you war! I will bring down this house! I will bring down that throne! And I will reign. You reign. I promise you, Father.
I cannot let you go.
What?
If you you declare war. I am a man of war.
I see. Well, I'll tell you, man of war. I will bring in men and women of war. I will run you, father! I will. Every time. It's always like this.
When I said no to your proposal, it's just because I put in so many things into consideration. It's not that I don't love you. I love you, but I'm just scared to go into it.
Why?
So many things I see and hear about marriages makes me scared. Makes me not even want to try it. I don't want to get married and my husband will turn me into a punching bag. I'm just so scared to even try it, and I don't want to be in a marriage that I will jump out, just like so many women do. I don't want to do that.
I understand. You have every reason to be scared. There are a lot of very stupid men in our society right now, but I'm not one of them. I promise you, I will never ever raise my hand on you. Never. Right? I promise I'll never lay my hands on you. I'll treat you like a queen that you are. I'll always adore you and respect you for the rest of your life.
Are you sure about all these promises?
Cross my heart.
So if you cross your heart, why don't you put a ring on this finger? I love you too. I love you.
This is not real. Everything a fake. The more you know, the less you see.
Hey! Greetings, Mom.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Oh, please shut that thing you call mouth.
Mom, you are embarrassing my visitor.
Keep quiet. Who is this half-naked prostitute you brought in here?
Mom, I am a grown-ass man and I know exactly what I want. That is what I'm doing. Why would you talk to my visitor like that?
You know what you want, right? But you do not know what people want from you. Maybe you've lost your sense of conduct. And you've forgotten the son of whom you are. Now let me refresh your memory. You are a prince. And here is a palace. And not a brothel you can bring in anything you pick on the street.
What? I can't take this anymore. I'm out of here.
Hey! Did you hear that? You heard her. Right?
Are you happy now? No, tell me, are you happy?
Do not push me to leave a dirty slap on your face. Stupid idiot.
This is not real. Everything a fake. The more you know, the less you see.
Why do they keep treating me like an outcast? I don't know.
Hey! Fake life, one.
Hey. Listen, I'm really sorry about what happened in there. I think my mother is having a bad day. What should I have done? Fight my mother?
At least stop her.
Oh, come on, you unfortunate bitch. You wouldn't have me. Teach me how to respect my mother, will you?
Did you just call me a bitch?
Of course, that is what you are. An unfortunate bitch.
You have my money, so can I have it?
Oh, I have your money. Well, I spent it.
But you borrowed.
I don't know. Do you have proof?
Can I have my money?
Listen, girl, I think it's time for you to get the hell out of here because I need to go back to my mother.
Really?
Okay? Yes, of course, really.
You want to leave me out here?
Of course, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave you out here and go back inside.
So can I get my money? I want my money now or I'll create a scene that people will gather here for us.
Alright, let's go. Let's go!
Don't try me.
Stop me if you can.
Let me have my money. You are playing with fire.
Instagram they hot just for you because of your face, yeah. Trisha and some men they die for you. Naija, send your DP.
Ah, but my sister now. My sister.
Which is? This girl. Hey, Mama. Is this the car? Mama.
You got the white
This is my beautiful car. Mama Lele, just take a good look at my car. Mama Kinky, Oji Rama, Mama Kinky, Kembombo, Tazuma, Oye, Mama Kinky, Udi Lama, Jala, Mama Kinky. Hey, Mama, I tell you, go on. Mommy, come here. To be me. Oh, but no, you go on. To be me. Hey, I'll give me this. To be me. Mama, guess what? What? Guess. Talk to me now.
I'm getting married.
So who is he?
Well, his name is Tony.
Mama, Tony. Mama is very fine. Don't if you see him. Yes.
Fine. Mama Kinky, Oji Rama, Mama Kinky. Mama Kinky, Oji Rama, Mama Kinky. Kembombo, Tazuma, Oye, Mama Kinky.
Hey. Oh yeah.
Greetings, father. Thank you. Yes, yes.
Is she?
Trisha.
The woman you said you want to marry?
Yes.
Okay. And where is she from?
She's from a nature village.
See.
Why don't you start by greeting the king?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Maybe I should also remind you to greet me.
Good day, my queen.
Well,
Your name?
Trisha.
Turn.
Are you sure you can handle that? be proud of your son a little bit.
Is this what you prefer to Anita?
Every sane man would.
Obinna, you will not marry this thing.
How the hell did you get in here, girl? Hey. Bro, Louis. What the hell is this? What? Oh, come on, bro. You can't be serious right now. I mean, you can have this for you. For a wife? Listen, I'll tell you. If you want a wife, you can go out there and get. You some good girl, you can make your wife. And no problem. But for this is the food for the gods. And I can't wait to devour this. Will you stop this? Stop it at once. How the hell do you want me to stop this? I mean, this is what I've been looking for out there. And now I have it in the house. What is wrong with you?
A cold reception. Did I fail the test? No. There's no way I will let this opportunity to pass me by. No! Pick your call. Pick your call. Tony, pick up your call. Tony. God. It's not picking.
Ekene, you have no right whatsoever to treat the woman I want to marry in such a disrespectful manner. No rights!
Which woman? Oh, the girl. Come on, bro. You can't possibly be thinking of getting married to her. She can't be your wife. What is wrong with you? Are you drunk? Huh? Who are you to tell me what to do and what not to do? Of course I'm your brother. Listen, I'll teach you. Alright? You can have her for a night. Have all the fun. Yes. Have her sew your bed. Nice, but for a wife? I don't think so. She's not worth it. She can be your wife.
Ekene. Enough. If I need your opinion, I will ask for it. For now, never. Can you hear me? Do not disrespect my wife to me again. Never. Can you hear me?
Hey, bro. Are you even listening to me? I mean, are you...
Then got power TV and if I'm talking, you shut up. Shut up! Don't do it again.
Why? I'm not gonna say a word. What? You plan to make that girl your wife? What the hell is he even talking about? No, that's not possible. That is the kind of girl I'll pay a couple of dollars to have on my bed and then do shit with. Nah. You have to think about this again. What's going on? Come on, brother.
Cause they are like don't lie between good and bad.
Myself.
Yes, Father.
I am not just a wedding man, but a king. King of Ikpe's kingdom. You are my son, heir apparent to the traditional stool of this kingdom. Always put the throne first in every decision you make. That is the only way you make a good king. You say, that young lady you brought here is not fit for the position of the queen of this kingdom.
Why? Is she disabled? What does she lack?
So many things, son. So many things. Manner, coordination, leadership qualities, among others. And these are what Anita has in abundance.
That's because mother groomed her to assume the position of queen someday.
Yes. And she is the perfect match for you. And that is more reason why you should marry her.
I'm sorry, Father. I cannot marry someone I do not love. Same way mother groomed Anita, she can also groom Trisha. I know she will learn.
Time is of essence, son. It's already too late to learn.
Oh, forgive me if I disrespect you. Forgive me. But I'm going to marry Trisha.
Upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you acquire, it's real love, what that is. Fake love at work, fake love at work. I will look up a love, go check and yaga, poppy. Fake love at work. Wake up. Fake love at work, fake love at work. I will look up a
Who is that? Hold on.
Trisha. What's going on? I've been trying to reach you. Your line has been off.
You caused it.
Jesus Christ. What happened? Never mind. There's no point asking. I'll get you a better one.
If you like.
Are you happy now?
What do you mean by am I happy now? No, am I supposed to be happy? No, tell me. Am I supposed to be happy? Or do you think buying me a new phone is going to make up for the embarrassment meted on me by your people?
I'm sorry. It's actually one of the reasons I'm here. Can we talk about it? They're judging your sense of decency.
What am I expected to do? To dress like in the 90s?
I never said that. Wait, slow down. I never said that. Look, you dress the way you want to be addressed. It's simple. I mean, you're seeing your outfit. I wasn't happy. I just didn't know how to tell you. Knowing you were going to see my parents, you should have dressed better. Come on.
So you're not taking sides with them, right?
Oh.
Okay, fine! Why are you here? What are you here to do? Okay, to tell me it's all over, right?
I never said that. Can you just slow down? It's easy. I love you. Alright? I love you. I love you so much. You're the woman I want to marry. I want you to have my children. Right? But for it to work, we need to convince my parents that you can make a good queen.
So what do you want me to do? To preach the gospel at every sight of them, right?
I never said that. Alright, fine. Let me make it simple, okay? I respect you. I respect your fashion sense. I'm not judging you. At the same time, I'm not trying to change you. I'm just saying, for my sake, to win the hearts of my parents. Can you adjust, please?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Maybe from Ekene's room.
What is wrong with him again?
About my king, I wouldn't know. No, please. Don't go. You know how violent is our investigation. For the sake of your health.
This is a palace for crying out loud.
Don't worry. That's what I'm saying.
What if we receive a special visitor?
We are saying the same thing. Stay back, let me go and take care of him. Let me tell one of the guards to take care of him. Okay? I'll be right back.
Are you sure you've forgiven me? Please. 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 Please.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. Patricia, I'm going to marry you. With or without their consent. But it will be best to get their consent.
What if they refuse? What if they insist that I'm not good enough for you?
I'll convince them. But it will come with a price.
Price? What price? I get it now. You know you're a bad boy. So, baby, you know I've really missed you. Wow. Baby. Baby. Come to me, baby. Come to me, baby. You know, come, baby. Come, baby. Yes.
The king is not finding this funny.
No! I get my stuff! They're right there! They're right here! I know, Who the hell took my stuff away?
I don't know. But whoever did has a good reason for that. And you wouldn't disturb the peace of the royal household for this. Okay?
What the hell are you?
I'm the
to
chief guard.
fucking caution me in my father's house!
And you take it easy. I'm the chief guard.
Who the fuck is the chief guard? What the fuck is my stuff? Somebody get me my stuff! I need my fucking stuff now! I need my stuff!
This is a big catch. I don't mind descending so low to get to my destination. An adage has it that one needs to kneel to be taller. I don't mind kneeling to accomplish my desire. I will do whatever it takes for them to accept me. I don't mind.
Upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you acquire, it's real love, what I do. Fake love at work, fake love at work. I will let go my love, go check and yaga have poppy. Fake love at work. Wake up, fake love at work, fake love at work. I will let go my love, go check and yaga.
What the hell are you doing here? Oh, alright, let me guess. You're here to upset the palace again.
Good day.
Fucking shut the fuck up when I'm talking. Alright? You don't fucking talk when I'm talking. Cause I'm the king of this motherfucker. You know that? Listen, let me tell you. I know you're tired. I see your time every day, girl. I know what you're here to do. You're fucking here to dig. Cause you think you've got the gold mine. And you think you got a fucking gold mine at your disposal. But guess what? This gold mine is protected
I'm the king of this motherfucker. And I got this place covered. Alright? So, you ain't got no gold here to dig. I know your type. I see your type every day. But you failed. You failed, girl.
For your information, I'm here to stay.
I'm scared. Bitch, you better get the fuck out of here now that you can. Else, I'm gonna make life miserable for you. Oh yeah, you heard me. Get the fuck out. Yes, say get the fuck out. Yo, bitch, get the fuck out. What you gonna do? Listen, I ain't my brother. I know what you're doing to my brother. He's crazy about your big pom-pom, but I ain't crazy because I seen bigger pom-poms than that. So get the fuck out before I do something crazy. Now get out. Yo, bitch, get out. Bounce, bitch. Bounce.
Nonsense.
Yo, fucking bounce. Fucking bounce, bitch. Fuck. Damn. Bitch was big. I thought she was gonna hit me. I ain't scared after all. The fucking king in this motherfucker. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on?
Upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you
Bro!
It's real love, what I do. Fake love at work, fake love at work. I will let go love, go check and yaga, poppy. Fake love at work. Wake up, fake love at work, fake love at work. I will let go love, go check and yaga, fake love at work. I have found my love, she's all that I want. My slave queen,
Why is she not answering that
every
call?
man's dream. If not her, no one else. I am truly in love with her. Oh, what a well-lived Nelly, what a negomo, what a believe Jalaja, slave queen, is your body.
The queen still doesn't like me, despite my adjustments. Even the prince, even the king, not 100%. It's time I stop this weak game and play it the hard way. Hello. Can I see you? James Avenue, 5:30 p.m. Cool.
Between good and bad, open your eyes, be careful. Yeah. She might not be what you.
I don't need you.
So, why is it difficult to make me your wife?
Because I'm in love with someone else.
Someone else? Is she better than me?
I don't want to start comparing you with anyone. Okay, it's not necessary. Look, you're very beautiful, and I know that you're perfect for someone else. It's just not me, and it won't work between us.
Why do you hate me so much?
I don't hate you. I said it before. Don't stress this, please. You'll end up hurting yourself.
Upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you acquire, actually love what I do. Fake love at work, fake love at work. Look at my love, put your gun again. I never have a fake love at work. Wake up, fake love at work. Fake love at work.
My king, are you going to allow him marry her? And draw the line between us and Anita's family?
You see, that boy is being persistent. He's hell-bent on doing his will. You know, we need him to be crowned soon. And that cannot be done without him getting married.
My king, Anita has denied so many suitors waiting for the prince. What would be her fate? I mean, what becomes of her?
Dear wife, I so believe in destiny. Who knows? Maybe that is how it is meant to play out.
Maybe we shouldn't give in to his decision yet. He may conform to us soon.
You see, it's all our faults. We all made a mistake. We should have sought his consent before this arrangement. You know yourself, he likes making his decisions. He sounded very serious when he left me with the word that he would never be part of any royal arrangement.
Wipe your tears away, darling.
He said it to me without missing words. He was so bored.
Don't worry. It's not his choice to make. I believe. Okay?
I can't find my feet. But how can he do something like this to me?
I don't know. Maybe he's high on something. I don't know. But you know what? Why don't I take you out somewhere nice so you have fun?
No, I don't feel like hanging out. I want to go.
Trust me. It's going to make you feel fine. Okay? Let's go out. Good. Let me get the khakis.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get the khakis. I hope you don't mind the way I'm traveling. Huh? Yeah, because I told my brother about things about you. Because I like you. I don't mind you being the queen of the kingdom. Nice.
Oh, please stop. Stop!
Is there a problem?
Can I ask you for a favor?
Okay, go ahead.
Please, take me home instead.
Home? I thought we were going out to have a good time. Why?
I am not in a good state to hang out. I want to go home. Take me home.
Alright, I'll just take you home. Okay? sorry for your bad state.
Thank you so much. You're a nice man.
Not really a nice man. I just don't like people making wrong decisions, actually.
Why don't you come in and have something?
I don't want anything. Just extend my greetings to your parents.
No one is around. They traveled. I'm going to be worried. If I'm left alone, please come with me.
If you insist.
Yes, I insist.
All right there.
Thank you. Make yourself comfortable. What do I offer you?
I don't want nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure you don't want anything?
Well, unless you have something special to offer me. That'll be cool.
Okay. Let me freshen up. I'll be right back. Okay?
Freshen up. Cool. Freshen up. So that should be all fresh, and then we can have it all fresh.
Onos! Onos!
Madam, the name now Onoriode aka AKP Onos. Welcome.
Get the things from the trunk.
Okay, ma, that is from the car of the trunk or the trunk of.
You do this?
No. I don't have a problem with people who do.
Cool then.
So, like I said before, first impression matters.
But I apologized.
Yes, you did. I know my people. They will forgive. But they hardly forget.
Yeah.
If you address decently the first time, I'm sure by now we'll be planning our wedding.
So, it's impossible, right?
Of course not. I want to play my last card. If that doesn't work, then we're stuck.
What last card?
Rejecting the throne for your sake.
Wait. You would do that for me?
Yes, I will. And even more. The plan is for the king and queen to succumb. I know they will do anything to see me assume that throne when they're gone.
What if they accept? And then entrust it to your younger brother?
That's most unlikely. The people want me. The kingdom wants me. We'll see how it goes.
I can't find Ayaro.
Why? Where could she be?
I don't know.
Where could she have gone to, leaving the whole doors open?
Exactly my thought.
Have you tried calling her line?
Yes, but she's not picking.
She's not picking? Greetings, Your Highness.
Hello, Chief.
Greetings. How is the royal family doing?
Well, we're fine. And how is yours?
I heard Anita has not been around for the past 3 days. Is she in the palace?
No. Why?
Where could she be?
Have you called the line?
We've been calling her lines, but she's not picking. I'll call you back, Your Royal Highness.
It's alright.
My king.
That was a call from Anita's father.
Okay. I hope all is well.
They've not seen her for the past 3 days.
What?
Yes.
What did he say?
She's not in the palace.
Honey, we have to make a report to the police immediately.
To the police? What do we tell them? She could just be having her private time.
Private time? No. I know my daughter. Anita cannot go 3 days without calling us on phone. I have to go and look for my daughter. Are you not coming with me?
Why not?
Please.
Let's go.
You said the last place she visited was the palace.
My security man told me that she told him when she was about to leave for the palace.
She never came back.
According to him, he went to the market to pick something. But when he came back, he saw the gate and the doors were open. But he didn't see my daughter at home.
So that means no one saw her return to the house after the visit to the palace.
No, detective. No.
What about her phone? It rings till now.
Yes.
Okay then. I will work with my intelligence team. We will start by tracking her phone. And the location will determine how to trace her disappearance.
Thank you very much.
Please, detective, do anything you can do as fast as possible. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter, please. Please.
I will. Nothing will happen to her.
You will.
I will need her 5x7 photograph.
Okay.
And her name.
Anita Udoka.
Son, I want you to tell me the truth. Where is Anita?
Anita?
Yes.
How am I supposed to know? Anita doesn't live here. She doesn't live with me.
I am your mother. Tell me the truth, so I would know how to cover up for you.
What are you talking about? Cover up for me on what? On what basis? Cover up for me for what? I've told you, I don't know where she is. I don't live with her. Anita should be in her house or wherever she chooses to go to. Last time I saw Anita was about 3 or 4 days ago. We were seated right here. And I told her the truth. I told her that it will not work between us.
You told her that?
I had to be honest with her so she won't be deceiving herself. Is that a problem?
Obina, there is a problem. A very big problem.
Greetings, Amado. Very to see you.
Greetings. Detective Evans from the police headquarters.
Chief Udoka.
We have been informed about a missing young lady named Anita Udoka.
Yes.
All our investigation proved that this palace was the last place she visited before her sudden disappearance.
How can it be possible? She was here 4 days ago. She's not here today.
She's not here.
Yes.
Her phone has been ringing. The GPS dictates here. Here is a search warrant to search this place.
Let me see. What's your name?
Detective Evans. There's nothing here. Shall we?
Officer, we all know where you found this. You know whose room? My younger brother. So you should arrest him. That's how it's done.
It's nowhere to be found. In that case, you have to come with us to the station.
No.
Until the corporate report to the station.
I do not agree. With due respect, Officer, if you handle it that way, it means you guys, you don't know your job. Send your boys to find my brother. You can track him same way you track this phone.
With due respect, you have to come with us.
Officer, are you pleading with him? Get him arrested! Provide my daughter! Provide my daughter!
Chief Udoka, please. Please. It hasn't got into this. Let's settle this.
Arrest him! Things are not done that way. No. That's the way things are handled. It's wrong.
Officer! That's him! That's him! Get him arrested! That's him! Get him! Get him! Arrest him!
Are you going to stand there and do nothing about my missing daughter?
What do you want me to do?
Get the king arrested. In fact, get the entire royal household arrested and detain until they provide my daughter.
How possible does that sound to you? Do you think Igwe is an ordinary man? He's the most influential and affluential man in this country.
He is not above the law! He is not! Please! How can my daughter be missing and you're doing nothing about it?
Look, calm down. I will do everything within my power to make sure that...
Please do! Do! You've wasted so much time!
I promise you, I will do everything within my power to make sure our daughter is found.
How could he do a thing like that? What does he stand to gain by killing her?
You seem not to know the son you bettered so well.
He never had issues with her. As a matter of fact, they were friends.
Not when he's on drugs. You know he becomes violent and very stupid. Who knows? Probably he asked her for money and she refused.
Why is this so difficult for me to believe? Hi.
Can I kill?
What? How? Why?
I don't know.
So, where is he?
He's on the run. Police are after him.
I'm so sorry. I really sympathize with the royal family. It's indeed a difficult time.
Yes, it is. A very difficult time. It's even my mother I feel for the most. She's devastated.
I'm so sorry. Can I come around?
Let me get you something to drink first.
Upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you acquire, it's real love, what I do. Fake love at work, fake love at work. I will let go my love, go check anyaga, fake love at work. Wake up, fake love at work. Fake love at work. I will let go my love, go check anyaga.
Hey. How did you get in here?
I got in from the back end. The usual way.
What happened?
It's a long story.
Is this a good or bad omen? The entire royal family is in trauma. Is this the right time to gain access? No, it may not be. I may need to wait a little longer. But come to think of it, this could be to my advantage. God probably must have cleared my route to the top. I had 2 major obstacles to become the queen of Ikpa Eze. Now, the 2 are off the block in a blink. There is always a solution to every challenge.
From what you just said, you're not even sure you're the target. So, why run?
Well, because someone pointed at me. And then the police were coming my way. That's why I had to run. Yes.
I can still define it's nothing. You were a prince. Did you commit any crime?
Maybe they found drugs in my room. Or maybe my father wanted to get me arrested and sent to the correctional center. Because I do drugs. Everyone does drugs.
It's still an assumption. Okay? Call them.
You want me to call them?
Yes.
Alright. I think I left my phone in the car.
So what do you do now?
I just call them tomorrow.
Okay, you can call your brother, or you even use my phone and call them. Come, I can give you my phone for you to call your brother.
What? That would be the most stupid thing to do because I will be giving out my location. Why don't I just...
Okay.
Why don't I just stay here?
Fine, it's okay. Make yourself comfortable. Okay?
Thank you.
Have you discussed it with them?
Not yet.
Why?
Because everyone is still going through the trauma. I don't think this is a good time to start talking about something like that. Everyone is still in shock. But you have nothing to worry about. Anita is gone, so I don't think they will still have any other reason to deny us their consent.
You think so?
Yep, I know so.
Who's calling?
I don't know. Hello?
Yeah. Hey. Bro.
Why did the police come to our house? Murderer! You bastard! You even have the guts to call me and act as if you don't know what you did. I don't know what happened. You are lying. So why did you run away when you saw the police? That's because I was scared. Ekene, you're lying. You're a bastard. You killed her. You're a murderer. You killed Anita probably because she refused to give you money. What the hell are you talking about? Anita is dead? Oh, you're still lying. Alright, fine. Go ahead. Keep lying and keep running. Just know that the police are after you and they are going to fish you out. Let me tell you, bro. If there's anyone the police should fish out, it should be you. And if there's anyone who has a reason to kill Anita, it should be you. I ask you. Why? Why would you kill Anita?
What? Ekene, are you out of your mind?
What did he say? What happened?
What happened?
He just called me a murderer.
A murderer? Did you kill anyone?
I don't understand. I don't know what's going on. How the hell did I get here?
Okay, fine. So, who is the victim?
Anita. The girl he's planning to get married to.
I am confused. Like, I don't get. Okay, fine. Did you get in contact with Anita recently?
I was.
From our investigation, your CCTV footage revealed that aside Prince Ekene, no other person walked in with her. As it stands now, Prince Ekene still remains the prime suspect until we get him, before we know the next line of action.
Please, detective, do anything you can as soon as possible. Please.
I will.
I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. Please, bring her back alive.
We are counting on you to help us find our daughter, please.
I will. I will still have to question your security.
It's okay. No problem. He's even around. He came with us.
Yes, he did.
What's going on?
Ekene, you're my friend. And I got your back always. Please, I want nothing but the truth. Did you kill her?
Oh, come on. Why would you think of a thing like that? Why in God's name will I kill her? I left almost immediately. She went in to take a bath. That's all I could remember.
Okay, fine. Did you in any way see anyone around that day?
See, anyone around? Anyone? Anybody? No. I didn't see no one.
The truth is that you and I know that no one is going to believe this story. Not at all.
That's the problem.
It's a big problem.
I don't know what to think anymore. I don't know what to... No one is going to believe me. How the hell did I get here?
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down.
I'm innocent. I do not like troubles. But somehow, troubles find a way. I don't know what to say anymore.
Okay, calm down.
I just hope I get out of this. I hope I do. Father, now that Anita is gone, sadly, God rest her soul. It's only proper that I go ahead and get married to Trisha.
Son.
Father.
Do you have a hand in Anita's disappearance?
Excuse me. How can you say such a thing, Father? Why? Huh?
Never mind.
Come on now, Father. How can you talk to me like this? You don't know me. You don't trust your son. I only ask because, you always tell me that time is of the essence. That I'm running out of time. I need to get married so I can be coronated. That's why I'm asking. So, can I get your blessings now?
No.
What do you mean no? Father, tell me, what do you mean no? Why do people treat me like a child? I don't even understand. I mean, why am I even asking for your consent? I'm old enough to get married to whoever I want to get married to. If not for the throne, I will not even be asking for your consent. You know that. I'm an adult. I can go out there and get married to 20 women. That's it's nobody's business. In fact, honestly, Father, I've had it up to here. Believe me. It has gotten to the point where I do not care about the throne anymore. You can hold on to your throne. I'll get married to
Obina!
Yes, Father. I'm sorry I'm talking to you like this. I know it has never happened before, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I cannot be treated like a child. Now, why? I have the right to get married to whoever I want to get married to. It's my life. It's my happiness. After all, I know you, Father. Did you consult anybody before getting married to our mother? Did you consult anybody? I know you very well, Father. You're very stubborn. You wouldn't have consulted anybody. You just go out there and get married. So why will my own be different? I don't understand now. Leave me alone to get married to who I want to get married to. In fact, I'm going to get married next week, and I'll send you my invitation card. If you don't want to come, don't come.
Upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you acquire, it's your love. upon all your money, upon all your intelligence, upon everything you acquire. Actually love, what I do. Fake love at work, fake love at work. I will look up a love, go check and yaga, poppy. Fake love at work. Wake up, fake love at work, fake love at work. I will look up a love, go check and yaga, fake love at work.
Okay, let me freshen up. I'll be right back.
What is it? What? What is it? Oh! What are you trying to do? What is it? Oh, please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Please, don't do it. Please don't kill me! Please! Please don't kill me! Don't kill me! Come back here, teacher.
Have you seen me today? Why do you like to address me as Trisha instead of your Royal Majesty? Don't be silly. Answer my question.
Actually, I'm just seeing you for the first time today.
And so do I have to remind you to greet me? Greeting is not a one-sided thing. Besides, I'm not in the mood to greet you. Listen, Odi, I'm not in the mood for your old age mumbo jumbo. Be careful.
I never consented to that girl being married into this family. Just few weeks in this palace, she's already disrespecting everyone.
Don't tell me you have an altercation with her again today.
That would have been better. This time around, she walked out on me.
What? This is serious.
If she continues this way, I will make her stay in this palace unbearable.
You do no such thing. She's married and recognized as a future queen in this kingdom. My advice, avoid her.
My king! I should avoid that thing? I should avoid that little brat?
Listen. That doesn't make you a weakling. She's not your wife. Our son, Tony, insisted on marrying her, so he should bear the cross alone.
My king, we shouldn't allow him to meet his early grave. All in the name of marrying the wrong woman. No.
Our son is a man. Let him sort himself out.
No, my king, I don't...
Mama Lagos. She's a legend, devil incarnate, evil girl, Delilah. She's a legend, devil incarnate, evil girl, Delilah. She's a legend, devil incarnate, evil girl.
What's wrong? You don't look okay, are you? Oh. What's wrong?
If I tell you, will you fulfill it?
Of course. You know me, I'll do anything to make you happy. What's wrong?
Make me signatory to your account.
Excuse me. We just got married. Isn't it too early to make such demands?
Exactly the point. We just got married, like you said. Does that change anything? So, you're just being reluctant in order to achieve your plan.
What plan?
Pushing me away after having your children. And the next thing, you will bring in one princess from somewhere and tell me she's your betrothed.
How can you say that? You're my wife. I'll never do such a thing. Come on.
Baby. The least you can do is to grant my wish. And grant me access to your property documents.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Are you serious?
If it will make you happy, fine, I'll do it.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. I love
Thank you.
Fine. So, now that I've accepted, are you going to twerk for me?
Only. Ha. What am I doing with myself?
What am I living? What am I come? What am I living? Chalacha, sleeping. Is your body come? And the makers, what am I come? When they come up,
no.
Sleeping. Fake love at work. And you got one and all. Could check and you got papi. Fake love at work. My brother, this is fake love.
Please, I need nothing but the truth. Is there anything you are hiding from me?
Ben? Do I look like I'm hiding something from you? I'm not hiding anything from you.
So why the recent hallucination you talked about? Come on, Ekene. I am your friend. I got your interest every day. Okay, you should be open to me.
I'm shattered. I don't know what is happening to me. I don't know why. I'm thinking maybe I killed her. But I know I will not do a thing like that.
So who then did? Who then did?
I wish I knew. Yes. Because I do not know why. Sometimes I'm thinking I killed her. And then I tell myself why. I have no reason to kill her. She was a beautiful soul. Yes. Ben, I'll tell you the truth. I killed her.
That's beautiful. Yes, we're heading to somewhere now. That's good.
But I have no reason to. Why will I kill her? No. I will never do a thing like that. Why do I keep thinking that I killed her? When... Oh no. What is wrong with me? Ah!
What's wrong with you?
No. I don't know what's wrong. I think I'm thinking I killed her.
You keep thinking, think. I don't understand. You keep thinking. Think what?
That's what I'm trying to tell you, because I do not know why my head keeps telling me that maybe I killed her. But I know I did not kill her, because the last time I saw her, she was a beautiful soul. I know she was a beautiful soul. There's nothing
She's a legend, devil incarnate, evil girl, Delilah. She's a legend.
Obi, as a man, there are certain things you should pay attention to.
Okay. Things like what, Father?
You see, the worst thing that can happen to a man is being controlled by his wife. And when that happens, the man becomes a vegetable and will rapidly age to his grave.
But why are you saying this, Father?
Yes, your wife. Watch her closely. Caution her when she's wrong, not minding her emotions. Be strict at times, and don't be so eager to make her happy all the time. And do not always grant her request, because you may die trying to do so.
But, Father, she's my wife. Then I should do everything I can to make her happy.
Your mother, she's my wife. Has she ever complained of anything? No. Why? Because I adopted these measures. Look, my son, you have to be wise while dealing with women. Woman is a thin line between good and evil.
Noted, Father. Noted.
All of a sudden I have become irrelevant to you, that you ignore me to be with other people more important than me. Really?
Mind exactly what you say to me. I am your husband. For Christ's sake, stop comparing yourself with everyone around here.
But I told you we needed to talk. I told you left me here. I've been here for so long and you were down there. Why?
Didn't you see I was talking with my father? He's my father and he is the king.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! All of a sudden you're becoming so harsh! You now treat me like trash! You've become so harsh to me! Why? What did I do to you? The real you is now manifesting!
To reel me my ass!
Oh my God! 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 Oh! He's now putting everything into practice. Oh!
This has been ambition. If I try to, this has been ambition. If I try to,
It's over an hour I sent for you.
I'm so sorry, Ma. I was on my way when the queen asked me to get something for her. So I had to attend to her first.
Who sent for you first?
You, Ma.
So why did you ignore me to attend to the queen?
Because she's the queen.
And what am I?
You're Prince's wife.
What did you say? How dare you undermine my position in this palace?
I'm so sorry, Ma.
For being so disrespectful, you will not eat, drink, nor sleep in this palace.
I'm so sorry, Ma. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
What is going on there? What is happening there? Why are you kneeling down?
Please shut up! I slapped her because she ignored me to attend to you first.
Oh, I see. I will clip those wings of yours. Get up.
everybody get your light. She's up to something. She can fake it. Slave queen. Mama Lagos. She's a legend. Devil incarnate.
What happened in the palace today?
Oh, she told you, and you're here to beat me up.
You have not answered my question. You have not answered my question.
Well, the maid disrespected me, and I had to teach her a lesson. Besides,
Your mother. Ah!
My mother what? Huh? Do you realize that the woman you disrespected is the queen of this kingdom and the mother of your husband?
Why don't you tell her that the woman she disrespected is her successor and wife to her son?
Trisha, do not be unfortunate. I will not say this again. Can you hear me? Do not, I repeat, do not disrespect my mother ever again. Ever!
Baby, I love you. Baby, I'm so sorry. I love you so much. Listen, baby, I love you. I'm going to explain. Baby, I love you. No. I really need to act fast. This is not happening. What has come over him? I need to act first. I need to act fast before I lose my man.
So what are you suggesting?
Maybe you both should come to the hospital for more checkup. It can, but hospital is preferable due to some circumstances.
Very well then. Anywhere at all, provided we get an accurate result.
All right.
Excuse me. Do you remember me?
Trisha? Of course.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
No, I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
All right. I am the royal family doctor.
Wow. Interesting. Well, I'm married to Prince Tony.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I would like to discuss something with you.
All right. I'm all ears.
Nah, this place is not convenient for us to talk. So why don't you choose a place and give me time and I'll be there.
All right. I'll see to it.
Okay.
Where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
Without pre-informing anybody or even your husband?
I'm sorry, I forgot my queen.
Did you just call me queen? Oh my god. I hope it's not a mistake.
No, it's not my queen.
You are a dead meat, after all.
My queen. Please, I want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, forgive me for all my wrongdoings. Deep down my heart, I'm truly sorry. Please. Please, just forgive me. Take me as your daughter. Please.
What?
I promise I'll make amendments. Please. Baby,
Where are you going?
I went out to see my friend.
Dressed like this?
Baby. I'm so sorry for everything I've done. Please, I'm ready to apologize to everyone, including your parents. Please forgive me. Please. Deep down my heart, I'm truly sorry.
Where are you coming from again?
Baby, I went to see my friend. Baby, please.
And you apologize?
I'm sorry. It's from my heart. Truly, it's from my heart. Please forgive me. I promise to make adjustments. Baby, please. Baby, baby, I'm still your wife. Baby, please. I'm sorry, baby.
I cannot remain a fugitive forever. For crime I did not commit.
I understand how you feel. Or going back to the palace now is not the best option to make.
Staying here isn't the best either. I think I need to set the record straight. And I need to do it now.
Can I remember? You are wanted by the police. You are the only suspect. So if you go in for raid, the killer will go free. Don't you think so?
I'll tell them the truth. Yes. I'll tell them I did not kill her.
Are you serious? And you think if you tell them the truth, anyone is going to believe you? No one is going to believe you if you do.
Oh, I'm just tired of hiding. I'm sick and tired of hiding.
You know what? Kenneth, just hold on a little. I will believe that the truth will come out as soon as possible.
Delilah, she's an agent, devil incarnate, evil girl. Delilah, she's an agent.
Are you still crying?
Did life give me any reason to smile?
My dear, don't cry. I thought you should have gotten over this.
Gotten over what? Gotten over my missing daughter? Are you kidding me? Is that why you go about your daily business unbothered? Please. If you know the killer of my daughter, or you are among them, at least let me see her corpse and lay her to rest, please.
Look, are you suggesting that I killed our daughter? Is that what you are saying?
You leave me with no choice. So unbothered. And it keeps me wondering if I'm in this pain alone.
Look, what do you have me do for God's sake? I should go around the street howling and crying to show my pain? Is that what you want me to do?
You can do better than your level of negligence.
Look, my dear, please, I'm sorry. It will be well. I assure you I'll do...
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Let me be! Please let me be! I'll bite you! I'll bite you! What is okay? Please! Go and find my daughter! Find my daughter! Find my daughter! Anita!
Mama.
Hey! Uncle Alicia. I tell you go on, Mama. Okay, baby. You're welcome.
Thank
you. No. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Hey!
Okay,
Did
baby.
you why Mama royalty?
Hey! There is someone. If not for that, I would have been a proud mother of 5. What is going on? Gini jinkitong.
Mama. Well, for me, I'm not ready to get pregnant. Talk more of having a baby right now. No, hell no. Besides, my husband is not ready to.
Sister, why are you lying? Why are you lying? What do you mean by your husband is not yet ready? I thought one of the reasons he married is because he wants to be crowned heir to the throne. You're lying!
Will you shut up?
Leave me alone.
General, sister.
Wait, let me ask you. On a bomba, you wait for Gini jinkitong. God forbid. Abomination. Hey, Teresa Nwam.
Trisha.
Teresa Nwam.
Trisha. Mama, I came here to have a peaceful conversation with you and this stupid girl here. But I can see I'm not welcomed. Let me go back to my husband that worships me. And back to the palace where I have servants at my beck and call. Excuse me.
Teresa.
Trisha, Mama.
Teresa!
Don't have time for all this.
Teresa, what has come over you?
Trisha.
Teresa!
Trisha.
Teresa, come back here.
Trisha.
Teresa, I am talking to you.
Trisha, Mama.
What is your problem?
You better stand up and get my handbag on my phone right now.
Teresa, what is your problem?
How I wish I'm the one in her shoes. How I wish. By now, I would have given my husband 4 or 5 children. Within the space of 1 year, I would have had one and breastfeeding. One will be running up and down. And maybe pregnant for another one.
You idiot! Are you still there?
I'm coming, please. Stop shouting.
Before I deal with you now.
What is your problem? What is it?
I don't understand. Why is my father's health deteriorating by the day? Why?
His sugar level is increasing. He needs to check what he eats.
Sugar level? Yes. Oh, he has been checking what he eats.
But how come there is too much starch in his system? Well, he will be fine. But when he does, ensure he avoids all the necessary things.
Alright, I will.
Alright, I will check on you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Alright.
She can fake it, slave queen, Mama Lagos.
What is it? The queen sent for him. Okay. Quick. Have you heard? The king is dead. Yes. Where are you going? Let's go outside. Wait.
My prince, take heart. What has happened has happened. And I have to be a man. We'll commence with the necessary arrangement.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take heart.
Yes, sir. Take heart. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, you have been dull recently. You don't contribute anymore in the office.
What do you mean I've been dull? I'm alright.
Are you sure, sir? Because your secretary said you haven't been able to complete the work on your table, and it's costing the company a lot.
Is there work on my table?
Yes, sir. The Blazers company, they submitted an application that was directly sent to your office, and you haven't attended to it.
Blazers company. Did they send any application?
Yes, sir. And it was 5 days ago.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I'll look into it.
Okay. That will be all for now, sir.
All right, thank you.
Let me take my leave.
What's going on inside?
The queen is dead.
Jesus Christ. What happened to her?
I don't know.
Hey, she's like a baby.
Doctor, how's my mother? Huh?
I'm sorry. We lost her.
What are you saying?
She had cardiac arrest. Before I could get there, she was already cold.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. My mother is dead.
Just be calm.
Madam, there are urgent decisions we must make in this company, else we will lose so much capital. I have tried seeking what the problem is, but your husband keeps saying he is fine.
But he's not. What? He's malfunctioning. He hardly holds a proper conversation. In fact, he's just the direct opposite of him. And it's really affecting our marriage.
That means he has to see the doctor.
We've seen several doctors.
What did they say?
From the gutter, she was brought to royalty.
Doc, what is wrong with me?
You have a memory loss as a result of a deep shock you probably sustained from your father's death.
So what do I do?
You will need to take a break from work for at least 3 months in order to recover. If not, it might expose your body to a bigger health issue.
Wow.
And most importantly, you need to be taking enough water and enough rest as well. I will take my leave now.
Make me the acting chairman.
That's not possible.
Why? Oh, because you think I'm incompetent, right? Listen. It's best is within the family, else someone else will rip us off.
Fine, you have a point, but I cannot take such a decision alone. I need to put a call to Mr. Tony so he can set up a stakeholders meeting.
What stakeholders are you talking about? You are the CEO! So put the call across right now!
Everybody beware, she's up to something. Everybody get
How long do we continue without a king?
As long as the condition remains. If not, who do we crown the king?
But we have a crown prince, don't we?
The crown prince, you said?
Yes.
The one who is mentally ill.
Hey. Has it gone that bad?
It is worse than you imagine. What do you talk of a man who can't even remember the is he said in a second?
Why is the land of Igweze facing this calamity? Losing the king and queen in space of weeks. The crown prince ill, and the second on the run. Who do we offend? Who did we offend? No.
Something is wrong. Certainly, the wind will blow too hard very soon, and the anus of the chicken will be exposed.
Let's wait and see. If you don't know,
No! This is too much for me. No. Why? No!
Can I stop? Stop. It's okay. Stop crying. I feel your pain.
My parents are dead. Buried in my absence. Because I'm running from a crime I did not commit. How else do you want me to feel? Tell me how else do you expect me to feel?
Ekene, it's okay. I understand how you feel. Believe me, I do. But you know what? I have a plan.
What plan?
You know, they say when something hits us hard, we should first look within us. I'll get a doctor to place your medication. While you're recovering, I will pay a secret visit to the palace.
What will you be doing there?
I will tell you when I return. Okay? Just hold yourself.
Oh, I thought I told you. Well, this is just the tip of an iceberg. I bought twin duplexes and 3 cars. You know how I like it. Yes, furnished the house already, everything, isn't that? You've not even seen anything. You've not seen anything. That one. Oh, he's just a vegetable. I only used him to get what I want. That's period. Let me just call you back later. What kept you so long?
I was helping the prince to get into bed. He said I should call you.
Has he eaten?
Yes, he has.
Tell him I'll be with him shortly.
Okay, bye.
Wow. Money is good. What's up? Have you booked the flight? What are you waiting for? Book the flight. I sent you the money already, so why are you delaying me? Alright, send it immediately.
Are you traveling?
Yeah, I told you. Wait. Did you forget?
Yeah, I think you said it. Where are you traveling to?
Abuja. For a business trip.
When will you be back?
For now, I do not know. But I'll let you know when I confirm.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Good. Okay.
We are losing deals. We are losing staffs. In fact, the company is incapable of meeting its financial obligation. I must say, the company is going through its worst spell since existence, sir.
That's not possible. It is not possible. How can you say a thing like that?
Sir, the acting chairman, your wife, carted away millions of dollars from the company. In fact, Your signature was appended on the checks. Are you not aware?
I'm not aware.
But she said it was for your treatment, that she needed to fly you abroad.
Oh. 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 Oh God. I'm mentally exhausted. I need to get some rest.
Sir, did you understand what I just said?
Yes, I heard you.
Sir, you did not understand. As it stands, the company is liquidated.
No!
Sir, is everything alright? Sir, are you alright? Are you alright, sir?
Somebody help me! Is there anybody here?
Sir, are you okay?
Somebody help! Help, please!
For how long has he been like this?
Since 11 o'clock. Please come with me, I have something to show you.
Really?
Yes.
Your brother is dying. He complained of not getting attention from the wife that travels now and then and come back late at night.
He brought that upon himself.
But he's still your brother.
What do you want me to do now?
Oh, she showed me something.
What?
So, where did you get this from?
I caught them in the act. I had to record it.
Does anyone know about this?
Not at all.
For how long have you heard on this?
During the time the queen was critically ill before she died, it makes me believe her death may not be ordinary.
Why do you think so?
The man in that video is the family doctor, and whatever thing he says, everyone believes. Apart from it, there are other things I found out.
Okay. Interesting.
What are they?
She didn't say anything. She said until I find solution.
And where do you intend to find solution? The police?
I don't know. That's just the problem. But she said going spiritual would be the best option.
Do you know any spiritualists?
I don't know. That's the problem. but she advised her meet Onowu.
What I do? I feel another. All I know is a part of separate. I got a three gun goose in the album. The fearless lion of the jungle. Who you call by Africa. Overall, I am my Yamakada the other job. In the king other I feel another wheelchair. What will you man than on that? What will you all upon my man than about to put you believe but in Abanogo, no Japan, Yana more about you just remember me a number, what can I banish? I think you're just over. And I think you'll be sick on the back, I see. More than mother, they walk. Muna yabe dora de na mama ka de ka na ekwu dia bo ma tugari ya mgbe ngebo ma ko mo ma chiri anya nwa ka mgba so many questions left unanswered will not proceed from my tongue because they are evil and abomination.
Wise one. If you do not answer us, who will? We run to the gods for answers to our questions when we are confused.
Mwana mwana ade okwu bakata ididu bakatra na akpọ ma kwuo izi loru imere na saa Now listen, tomorrow by 12 p.m. go straight to Afo aja na eliga ebili Ebemeli Agonta. There you will see a man by name Emenike. He has all the answers you seek for.
Wise one, what about the palace, the prince, the late king and the queen?
Do not ask so many questions. Makana wata kosia ka omotale. Obala aka na abo. So nemwa. Namo Muslim gosi m ka esi ewu ya mpia na mgbada ewu m na ndịda ọtọbụtọ maka iru ka eji akpọ maka idi mgbe ebuketa ya nke abuketa nke ọzọ dị nkachi efo na efu ekene nchukwu maka mụ na ya gbara agbata obi dịka ihe ka ọ gbara agbata obi be ndị mmụọ ka nha galitebe ugbo ugbo nji ije ụlọ asị ndị ije ogbe mmụ nwere ejegide ruo na mgbakọ ebe ọzara ụlọ asị tinye aka n'ugbo mkpụrụ aja afọ ekwu eburu iche agagasịrị ga na-egwu osimiri ogwu osimiri n'okporo ama na ekwukwere ya ka nsi orugwe mgbe eji azọ gara mmụọ ji aba ugwu ka nrigolitebe m maka mụ na ihe ka ọ gbara agbata obi be ndị mmụọ akpachalite agwụ anyị akpọ ma ha galibe girigidi ka ọ bụ anyị apụsịta maka ọ bụrụ ọba anyị adị eje maka agadi ya dị eje ya kwuru na ama m ka esi ewu amahụ oge ije a na-akpọ ma sepisi edebe m aka nsi m akarakata m ji agbatu ikikiti ka efila anyị n'ike eregede ahụ a na-agba mkpu okirikiri a na-agba ukwu ọsọ ajebekwana m ije njeri n'oru broda
I tell this I go knock the shots now. I don't knock him. You don't believe my weight again. I see heavy.
Bros, excuse me.
Alright, bro, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. We'll talk. Yeah, well done.
Sorry, thank you. Sorry for cutting your call short.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm looking for somebody around here. My name is Ben. So I'm looking for one Emenike.
Emenike. I'm Emenike.
Okay, nice.
How will I help you?
Good to see you. Okay, was supposed to give him
Please! Please!
It's okay. Yeah. It's okay.
So what do we do now?
First thing first, we need to take him to the hospital and save his life.
Yeah. You're right. Give me a hand.
From the gutter, she was brought to royalty. From nowhere, she was brought to royalty. To royalty. To royalty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope this marks a new beginning for us now.
Yeah.
Are you okay? What's wrong with you? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, open it. Let's take him to the hospital. Quick. Easy. Oh!
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Hey. Prince Ekene Ohizu.
Yes, that's my name.
You are under arrest for illegal possession of hard drug and other related crimes. You have the right to remain silent.
For whatever thing you do, these are less of the
You asked to see me. You're not ready to talk.
Wait. Please. 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 I'm so sorry for everything I did to you. I'm so sorry for killing your father, your mother.
Why did you bring me here?
The king and the queen are standing in my way.
What way?
Never mind. I want you to do a job for me. Are you game?
If I can.
I want you to kill the queen and the king.
That's evil.
I know. Evil are done by human like you and I. So what are you talking about? I mean, you're not doing it for free. It comes with a whole lot of benefits.
Like?
Cash and pleasure.
No, I can't.
Listen. Let me just break it down for you. Let me break down the deal for you. You will kill the queen and kill the king. And then make Tony to lose his memory.
Of what crime?
For loving me.
But he's your husband.
And I don't love him. Yo. Listen. Once I become the head of the company, you will get 5% of every kobo made from that company. And in addition, you will have me all to yourself like you've always had me. And I know you miss me. Come on. I know you know what I'm talking What's up?
I'm good.
So where's the stuff?
Oh. Yeah, it's for the king.
Okay.
This one is for the queen. And this for the prince. You need to be adding it in their meal like thrice a week until it takes effect.
So is it going to take them too long to die?
Yes. It will take long, so that it won't be suspicious in case if they decide to visit any hospital for autopsy.
Okay, it's alright, thank you.
Alright, can I get some sugar?
What sugar? Please leave my car. Don't you know there's time for everything?
See you later.
Excuse me!
It has gotten the middle part of you, and it won't take long before you kiss the bucket.
What about the queen?
Ours won't take long from now.
Alright then, I'll just go call my husband.
should be asking you what you want.
It's none of your business. Listen, don't even try to play a fast one. I will just go call my husband.
If I wait for Characho, this has been.
What is it? Come on, get inside!
Sorry, Your Majesty.
You need to stop adding that substance in his food for now.
Why?
He will die. Just give him some time, then you continue.
Alright, no problem. But he still talks.
Yeah, I know. He's still working on him. Get every information from him tonight, else he might be unconscious tomorrow.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
I will be taking my leave.
Okay.
This has been ambition. If I wait for Characho, this has been ambition. If I wait for Characho, if I Characho.
Are you mad? Yo. Come in.
You sent for me, Lolo.
Love. It sounds so good. It shows you know my position in this palace. I want to take full responsibility of every meal. Not cooking. I can't spoil my beautiful nails. Hell no. I must supervise every meal before you dish. Am I understood?
No. Before you change any rules in this palace, you must go through the queen.
Excuse me? Are you countering my orders?
Not at all, but...
Shut up! I must supervise every meal before you dish. Else, I will behead your father. Get out! Get out!
She's a legend, devil incarnate, evil.
Mother, pregnancy is not everything. Please, just count me out. I'm not ready for that now. Allow me to enjoy my marriage. Oh, fine, fine. I will, but for now, I'm not thinking about it. Let's say 2 years or 3 years' time, please. Mother, you're stressing me. You're stressing me. Please, just let me be. Won't even allow... Can I call you back?
I'm done cooking. Would you still want to supervise it?
Of course. Let's go. Trisha, you're not eating. I just lost my appetite.
Come on. Eat. Even if it is little.
Yes.
Yeah. They say a family that is together stays together.
And Anita. So sorry for putting you in that miserable condition. Tony, you were a good man. You were nice to me. But I was greedy. I was stupid. I was foolish. I wanted more than what you offered to me. What was your crime? Your crime was loving me. I'm sorry. I never reciprocated. Please, forgive me.
I should have listened to my parents. I should have listened to my friend Nandi. He told me you were no good. He warned me. He said nothing good will ever come out of you. I never listened. Sadly, I learned my lesson the hard way. I wish you luck.
From the gutter, she was brought to royalty. From nowhere, she was brought to royalty. To royalty. To royalty. Trisha la venza, Uku venza, Instagram they hot just for you because of your face, yeah. Trisha la venza, men they die for you. Banana jar, send your DP, yeah. Some men they die for you. Banana jar, original contact, yeah. Trisha fake it, yeah. That is the trend. If you fake it very well. Trisha fake it, yeah. That is the trend. If you fake it very well, This is not real. Everything a fake. The more you look, the less you see her. Trisha want them more. If I broke with him, mama chola cho. Trisha want them more. If I broke with belly, mama, why are you faking it, yo? Why are you like this, yo, Trisha? Fake life, one them. That is it, fake life,